What's going on? My name is Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you are watching the 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And the one that we want to talk about today is going out and getting more reviews for your business, and specifically a campaign and a way to do it that doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't really take a lot of effort on your part, but is going to make a big difference in your business. So today's marketing tip and trick is getting more reviews for your business. Now, whether you need more reviews on your Google My Business, Yelp, TripAdvisor, your Facebook page, whatever it is, getting reviews really does make a big difference when customers go and look to make a buying decision from you. So the easiest way to go and get more customers to leave you reviews that doesn't really take that much time and effort to do is going out and asking them through text message marketing. Now, what you want to do is get a list of your past customers, maybe from the last 60 or 90 days. You can go out a little bit longer than that, but the further out you go, if they haven't bought from you recently, the likelihood of them actually leaving a review is a lot less. So you really want to be within that 90-day window. And what you want to do is get their phone number information that you should have on file and put them all in a list and create a text message campaign that simply says, hey, this is Tim from Scary Good Marketing. We recently did some work with you. We hope that you really enjoyed the process, and we're looking to grow our reviews on Google or Facebook or Yelp or whatever it is. Would you mind taking a few minutes to leave us a review? And then you simply just put the link in there. So all they have to do is click on it in their text message, and it will go straight to that page where they can leave you a review. Now, this is something that's really, really simple, but has a really big impact on getting more of those reviews, because if you go and look at your last reviews, if you don't have any new reviews even within the last month or two, it doesn't necessarily look that great for your business. And if you haven't had any new reviews in like 5, 6, 7 years, some people may think that you're not really in business anymore and your listing pages just have never been taken down. So you want to make sure you go out and get as many reviews from customers as soon as possible. And one of the best things that you can do, like I said, is anytime that you get a new customer, put them into that automation. So all you're doing is updating it. And if you use something like Zapier, where you can send data to different data sources, it can pretty much automate itself. Now, the other thing that you can do is we actually have a loyalty and rewards program called Scary Good Rewards, and we decided to actually implement this into the reward system, where anytime that a customer goes into your physical location to check in for a reward, after a certain period of time, or maybe they visit you 5 times, on that 5th visit, we'll automatically send them a text message asking them to leave a review on one of those platforms. Because if they've been in 5 times to your business, they probably really like your products and services, and that's the best time to ask them. So if you would like to learn a little bit more about the Scary Good Reward system, I left a link in the description of this video where you can go and learn more about the Scary Good Rewards program. But other than that, go out, use text message marketing to get more reviews for your business. You'll be glad that you spent the little bit of time to send this out. So that's it for this one. I'll see you tomorrow for another Scary Good Marketing tip and trick video.